Hi my loves, are you frustrated with your hair? Too much shedding, flatness, or just feeling blah? You're not alone, and I've been there too. But here's the good news. You can start transforming your hair in just 7 days. No expensive products or salon visits needed. Just simple changes that make a big difference. We'll focus on gentle care, nourishing your hair, and a few easy tricks for volume and health. Whether you've never had a routine or your current one isn't working, this is your reset. We'll stop the habits that hurt your hair and start the ones that help it thrive. By the end of this week, you'll see and feel the difference. More confidence, more control. Ready to join me? For the next 7 days, follow these steps. They're easy, and you'll unlock your hair's full potential. Let's ditch the frustration and get excited for gorgeous, healthy hair. Your journey starts now. Let's dive into day 1. For days 1 and 2, our goal is to stop the damage. Be gentle. Treat your hair like silk. Always brush from the ends up to avoid breakage. Use a wide-tooth comb, especially on wet hair. Put away heat tools for now. Air dry your hair as much as possible. Even a short break from heat makes hair softer and shinier. At the end of your shower, rinse with cool water to seal the cuticle and boost shine. Just 30 seconds is enough. So, your mission: gentle brushing, no heat, and a cool rinse. These small steps lay the foundation for healthy hair. You're breaking the cycle of damage and starting fresh. Trust the process. You've got this. On to the next step. Days 3 to 5 are all about scalp massage with rosemary oil. Massaging your scalp boosts blood flow, feeding your hair roots for growth. Mix a few drops of rosemary oil with a carrier oil. Never use it straight. Part your hair, apply the oil to your scalp, and massage gently for 5 minutes. Do this before bed or an hour before washing. 3 days of this can jumpstart growth and add instant volume. Plus, it's a relaxing act of self-care. Enjoy this ritual. You're waking up your hair follicles. Let's keep going. For days 6 and 7, focus on nutrition and a quick volume trick. Eat more protein, eggs, chicken beans, or yogurt to help your hair grow strong. Add iron-rich foods like spinach and healthy fats from avocados or nuts. These nutrients make a visible difference, fast. Now, for instant volume. After washing, gently squeeze out water with a t-shirt. Flip your hair upside down and blow dry the roots on low heat. This lifts your roots for major volume. Only apply conditioner from mid-length to ends, never at the roots. This keeps your hair bouncy, not flat. Simple changes, big results. Ready for the final step? You did it! 7 days to healthier, happier hair. Notice the softness, shine, and bounce. Your efforts are paying off. This is just the beginning. Consistency is key. Keep up gentle brushing, limit heat, and do scalp massages weekly. Real growth takes time, so be patient and celebrate small wins. Stay mindful of your hair care and nutrition. These habits will give you the strong, voluminous hair you want. You've unlocked your hair's potential. Keep building on it. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Keep up the great work. Get ready to fall in love with your hair all over again. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Look Glow for more beauty and wellness secrets. Comment hair below if you're starting the challenge today. I'll see you in the next video.